So welcome back everybody. Today we're taking a look at how to reset up your Fire Stick remote so the volume controls work, the power on and off button works, that sort of stuff, so you can resync it with your TV. So a lot of people followed one of my guides not too long ago. Let me just load up my channel. This is my channel, Doc Squiffy. If you are new here, do remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button for all your streaming tips. We've done a video, if I can find it, here we go, how to fix your Fire Stick remote. Including your connection. So if your remote's not working, how to reset it, how to reconnect it, how to fix it, even if you're off on a different internet, that sort of thing. So if anyone needs that video, if that's what you're actually looking for, I'll link that underneath in the description and in the comment section. But what happens is a lot of people who reconnect their remote, for any reason, you might lose the initial controls you had over your TV when you first set it up. Okay, so when you first set up your Fire Stick, everything like that, obviously you link it to the actual TV you use, but you might have lost that if you reset your remote, if you reset it up, or for any reason if you've got a brand new remote, or if you put new batteries in, it might have reset your remote as well. So we're going to show you how to reset it up so those volume control, those channel up and down buttons, they all work again. Okay, so what you're going to do is get your remote, you're going to go across to your settings. I would first of all recommend going to My Fire TV, clicking on About, and just making sure everything is up to date, because it's important to keep yourself up to date just in case any settings have changed, things like that, before you do obviously a big resync like you want to do. Then you're going to go across to your settings. You're going to go down to equipment control. In here you will go to manage equipment, and here you can see you've got your TV, your Fire TV and advanced settings. Obviously, the Fire TV is the device, your Fire Stick or your Fire TV Cube, whichever. Your TV is the TV it's connected to. So you're going to click on that one. Here you can actually look at what different things you do, whether it's how much the volume goes up each time when you increase, decrease. Infrared options, wouldn't really touch that. Power controls, adjust your power controls, you know, power and delay, how you do it. Input switching, how to use your original remote to change the input on the TV. So that's all in there. But again, here is the one you want. Change TV. To change the equipment the Fire TV controls, select this option. Setup will take 5 to 10 minutes. So we're going to change TV. Guided setup will take 5 to 10 minutes. We'll click Change TV, and then you can go through the process again. So then prepare your remote. And here you have to pick your actual device. I'm actually on a HP. So I'm going to have to go down and find that. It'll be quite a way down. I'm on a monitor. You look through. They have so many different devices in here. So find your TV make. Where are we then? Get to H. HP. Click it. Press the power on your Fire TV remote to turn off your TV. Wait 10 seconds and press the power again to turn it back on. So you push it. That will turn off your TV, and then you can push it again. If it doesn't do it, you obviously push no. So mine did turn off. I'm going to say yes. You're going to be playing music now. It's not going to come out on the stream because it'll be playing out into my mic. If you hear it, and then you can continue. So we'll be playing music during the next step. Please make sure that the volume is turned up and then continue. So there we go. With your Fire TV remote pointed at your TV, toggle the volume up and down, which is on here. Did the music change volume? Click audio. There we go. You push it. Did it change volume? I'll say yes. Which input is your TV on? So you can select which one it's on. So that's fine. And mine is on HDMI 1. Using your TV remote, change a different input. Once you are there, press play on your Fire TV remote to keep it pointed at your TV. Did that return to your TV? Yes. Your Fire TV remote has been updated. And that's how you resync it. It's fairly straightforward. I might have gone a little bit fast there, but pretty much you follow the steps. So where do you find that again? You go to your settings. You go to equipment control, manage equipment, TV, and then change TV. Okay? And then that should all work for you. And hopefully that will now fix the controls. I'm going to be replying to a lot of people who've commented on that other video with this video. Half the reason I've done it. Obviously, if you want that video on how to fix the Fire Stick remote, is linked underneath. Check out the rest of the channel and you'll see tons of videos on live sports, movies, TV shows, plus tips, tricks, settings to turn on and off. Brilliant. So I've been Doc Squiffy. Hope you liked that video. Quick word from one of our partners before we do disappear. If you are after a VPN, I'll link one underneath. IPVanish VPN is a partner of ours. We are affiliated with them. We do get a small commission, which helps us do what we do, which is making these videos. So if you want to support the channel and you get yourself a VPN, that's the best way. You get a VPN, we get a small commission, not millions. It's only $2.19 a month. So we're not going to make millionaires out of it, but it does help us do what we do. But that's only if you're after a VPN. I will link that directly underneath for you, under the video, as well as those other videos. Brilliant. I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you all for watching. Hit that follow button, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you soon.